Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to restore a system restore point in Windows recovery environment. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Restoring a system restore point in the Windows recovery environment, WinRE, is a great way to fix issues caused by recent changes. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you through the process. Restart your computer and boot into the Windows recovery environment. You can do this by holding down the Shift key while selecting Restart from the Start menu, or by using other methods. Our video on how to enter Windows recovery environment in Windows might help you. The link is in the description below. On the Choose an Option screen, select Troubleshoot. Go to Advanced Options and then select System Restore. Choose the restore point you want to revert to. You can select a restore point created automatically by Windows or one you created manually. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the restoration process. Your system will revert to the state it was in at the time the restore point was created. Once the process is complete, restart your computer to apply the changes. This should help you resolve any issues caused by recent changes without affecting your personal files. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.